Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video we are doing part 2 of our flaxseed hair gel series. In the part 1, which I will link right there, we made 2 different type of flaxseed. One regular, which I have right there. By the way, I'm putting them in this freeze pack bag just to keep them cold while I do this video. I put my little freeze I don't know what you call this, but I put them in there. Everything is nice and cold, and I like to keep my gel in the fridge. So putting everything in this bag is kind of easy because I grab it from the fridge before I'm ready to go and take my shower. And if I forget it in the bathroom, it's no biggies because this keeps everything warm. Just a side note. So like I was saying, I linked the video right here for you to see how we made those 2 different type of gel. Gel number 1 is regular flaxseed with a little bit of a lavender essential oil, and gel number 2 is flaxseed with a little bit of essential oil also, but we added about 2 tablespoons of honey in it. So today's experiment, I am going to divide my hair in 2. On my right side, so the left for you, I am going to put the flaxseed with honey, and on my left side, so the right side for you, I am going to put the regular flaxseed. The goal here is to see if there is any difference in texture, moisture, shine, you know, see if that little bit of honey brings a difference to the overall look of my hair. Okay, right now my hair is on its day 2. I rinse it under warm water under the shower. I did not add any shampoo, no conditioner, no co-washes, nada. But I did put a little bit of Nut Today from Kinky Curly, and right now my hair is plopped up in my hairnet. Yeah, so I'm about to take this out. The styling technique I'm going to use today is the clump method, but first, before I start clumping my hair, I'm going to apply the flaxseed. So I am going to right now divide my hair in 2 equal or somewhat equal section. Alright, so my hair is separated in 2. I'm going to start with the flaxseed and honey, and I'm going to put it on my right side. Hold on, let me not make a mess. Alright, here we go. I'm going to put a generous amount because right now my hair is still pretty soaked, and it's flaxseed, you know, it's not like it's gonna weight my hair down or anything like that. I've been using flaxseed for a long time, and I can tell you that it does not weight your hair down at all. Alright, so that's for my right side, which would be the left side for you. Let me just put one more pump. It feels so lightweight that I feel like I need to put more. Here we go. And then now on the other side, let me put this back in my refrigerated bag. I'm so proud of myself with that bag. It's the little things, you guys, the little things. Okay, now the other side, we're gonna use the regular flaxseed. Regular flaxseed, here we go. It's funny, it feels like it's a lot more liquid than, oh no, it's not. Maybe it was that first pump that felt liquidish. Right now, I have to say this one doesn't feel as smooth. It's a little bit harsher. It feels more like water and flaxseed. The other one felt a little bit softer on my hair for some reason. Yeah. Again, my hair is still soaked. Water is still dripping from my hair, so I am comfortable putting a whole lot. All right, now that I'm done applying the flax seeds on both sides of my hair. I want to go ahead and put my hair upside down, my head upside down. Try to keep that separation as much as possible, but do the clumping method with my head upside down. So let's try to make this happen. I'm gonna get on top here. Ooh. All right, so I am pretty much done kind of clumping. So I'll do a video on how I clump my hair, you guys, because I felt like I came up with a new technique, a new way of clumping my hair that works very well for me, and I will be doing an update on my clumping technique soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and scrunch my hair and then also use this microfiber towel to take out the excess product. All right, my loves, I am all set and done styling my hair. Now it's time for me to go and diffuse my hair. So let me go do just that and I'll be right back. See you in a sec. All right, my loves, I am all done diffusing my hair. I legit switched off my diffuser maybe a minute ago. Oh my gosh, what a big difference between the two sides. This is the honey side and this is the regular flaxseed side, okay? Okay, let's just start by comparing the two sides. I'm gonna start with the honey. I'm gonna give you a close-up on the current situation. The clumps pretty much stay together. As far as the feel, the hold is a lot stronger on the honey side. I feel like the honey gave a lot more hold to the flaxseed gel. Also, can we talk about the shrinkage? My hair is barely touching my shoulders right now, compared to the other side where my hair is completely resting on my shoulders. There is a huge difference in the shrinkage. Overall, I feel like the honey, probably the sugar in the honey, gave a lot more hold to the gel. As far as the filling, when I apply the flaxseed plus honey on my hair, it felt a lot smoother, a lot more soft, a lot more slippery. And then when I diffused it, it did take a longer time to dry on the honey side, and it feels harder. It feels like a cast is there and it's staying, okay? Let me see if I can give you a white background better. Hold on. I'm trying not to. Here we go. This is a little bit better. So you can definitely tell the difference in the length from the honey, the flaxseed plus honey side, and the flaxseed without honey side. Okay, so to recap, a lot smoother on the application part, a lot more slip to it, a bigger, stronger cast, a lot more shrinkage, and a stronger hold of the curl, and a lot less frizz because of the stronger cast. Okay, now let's switch to the regular flaxseed side. When I applied on my wet hair, it felt a little bit not harder, but compared to the smoothness of the honey side, this one felt a little bit harsher. But you know, it's water and flaxseed gel. It's not harsh. It's just a little bit more resistance. Nothing crazy. Nothing. You know, it was not hurting, pulling my hair out or anything like that. As far as the hold, it's a soft to medium hold. My hair feels very soft right now. I do not have a cast. My clumps did not stay together in the back, but they did stay together in the front. And then as far as the shrinkage, my hair length is pretty much the same as what it usually is. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I have a little bit more frizz on this side than I do on that side. The drying time was a little bit faster. Yeah, this feels more humid. This feels more humid than this side. Yeah, so now I'm going to, you know what, I want to go back and give it a little bit more dry time on the honey side, because I don't want to separate my clumps and then my hair is not completely dry. So give me a second. I'm gonna diffuse my hair a little bit more, and then I'll come right back. Okay. All right, I'm back. This time I'm 100% dry. Yep, still pretty much the same, you know. I'm amazed at what a little bit of honey will bring to your flaxseed. It's amazing. Okay, I am going to separate my clumps. I'm going to start with the front, keep the back for last. I'm going to start with the honey side, try to keep as much as my curl pattern as possible. It's crazy how much stronger the cast is on this side, you guys. If you want to add more strength, to more hold to your flaxseed gel, add honey or add sugar. This is definitely medium to strong hold for fine wavy to curly hair. It does add a little bit of weight to your hair, so I wouldn't put too much sugar. Again, take a look at the link right here to see how much sugar I put. I think it's 2 tablespoons of honey for, I think, about 6 ounces. I could have put a little bit less. I think 1 tablespoon would have been enough for 6 ounces. But this is pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to separate my clumps on the flaxseed only side. And right now I can already feel how much softer my hair is, and there's barely any cast. The back is already separated. The back clump did not hold. I'm glad I clumped my hair using this technique that I just did, because you can tell it really showed how much hold these gels have. So now I'm gonna separate this second clump here. Okay, this is separated. It's very soft, very loose. It feels more natural, to be honest. It feels softer. I would think that the honey side would feel softer, but no, the honey side feels as if I had like full-on gel in my hair. This side feels a lot softer. So that's that. And voila. Boom. All right. There you have it, my loves. This is the difference between both sides. One side is nice and soft with relaxed curls. One side is scrunchy, has a strong cast, and very defined curls. Alright, you guys, so to conclude this video, do I like the regular flaxseed side or do I like the honey flaxseed side? Personally, when it comes to the look and the feel of my hair, I really like the natural side. I know there's a little bit more frizz. I know my curls are not shrinking as much. I know I may have loose on some definition. I know that the hold will probably not last all day long. But right now, as I'm talking to you and I'm touching my hair, I really like how my hair feels on this side, and I also like the loose curl look to it. But that being said, I am very happy that I did that experiment, because I finally found a way to make my flaxseed gel stronger, which If anything, that's, I mean, there's 2 cons of flaxseed hair gel. Well, 3 cons to flaxseed hair gel. First one, it's a pain in the butt to make. Second one, it doesn't last long enough. And third one, it doesn't hold as long as I wish. So I found a way to take care of one of the cons. How to make the hole stronger. Add a little bit of honey. I think 2 tablespoons for 6 ounces is too much. 1 tablespoon would have been enough. And if not honey, you can always substitute with sugar, because really at the end of the day, I'm pretty sure that it's the sugar, the sugar crystal in the honey that makes that hold so strong. So it doesn't have to be honey. Let me taste. I'm curious. I want to taste my hair. Hold on. Yeah, I can taste the sugar in my hair. That's interesting. Okay, so I am very happy. I found a way to make the flaxseed stronger, and that's really all I wanted. Also, I like the curl definition, and I'm curious to see how this is gonna last throughout the day. All right, I think I'm gonna go. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and maybe share this video with a friend if you think it can help them in their journey. I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.